well. Always a Golf R behind me. Huge. Oh boy! Yes, boy! So guys, we are going to film this intro yet again for the second time because the first intro I made was absolutely shite and for some reason it stopped recording. Hey ho. But guys, just to start the vlog off, I'm going to put the second part in there, but I just want to say thank you to every single one of you guys for of course supporting the channel. I know it's been a crazy year, but I really hope you guys have an absolute amazing year. And I'm now going to pass it on to the second part where I actually filmed the actual vlog. Right, for some reason my camera decided to cut off, but yeah, as I was talking about the way this thing moves, it's ridiculous. But like I was saying guys, I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys. I'm not sure if I've said it or whatever, but yeah, I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys for supporting the channel so much. Okay, that guy was not impressed. But I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys for supporting the channel, everything we've been through, from selling the S3 this year to buying my first ever AMG to now owning an M140i. So it's been a crazy year, I think for me as well. Fucking hell! Right, so as you guys know, I do like my spirited driving, so that's the thank you out the way. Now we're going to talk about the review. I thought I'd do a short review, just like I said, to end the year off. It'd be nice. It's been a strange year, but on to new things. Of course, the M140i. I did get a lot of comments from people. You should have bought an RS3. Why? What? Give me one valid reason why I should buy an RS3. An RS3 can't do that. Yeah, exactly. An RS3 can't do that. So it's even in the wet, it grips very well. And in my previous cars, as you guys know, I do like my budget tires. I like having fun with them, especially in four-wheel drive and big heavy V8s. But I think I'll be sticking to good quality tires, Michelin Pilot Sports, Pirellis and all that good stuff. I'm definitely going to be sticking to that for sure, because this thing, regardless of the expensive tires it's got, it still slides out quite a bit. And that's me purposely putting my foot down. I think as an overall, whatever you want to call it, hyper hatch, hot hatch, whatever you want to call it. Fucking hell, man. This car does not back down to no one. Honestly, it's crazy. As I was saying, it being a hyper hatch, hot hatch, whatever you want to call it, it is very good. It's a very good car. So responsive, even from the gearbox not being tuned. And that DSG pop or ZF pop, whatever you want to call it, sounds absolutely bonkers. Oh my god, it's just the way this thing moves. Being a rear wheel drive car with 430, let's say 440 with that downpipe, crazy. It's phenomenal. I can't express enough to say to people that how responsive this car is. I mean, let's come to a stop. All right, let's come to a stop. We're not going to launch it because that's just going to be a whole different case. Oh. But the only thing, and there's one thing I don't like about this car, is the crappy pops and bangs, or burbles, whatever you want to call it. I don't know why someone would get those type pops and bangs. Like when you're at high revs, sometimes it does pop and bang over 4K and sometimes it doesn't, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. I honestly think, as you guys know, I like my antisocial behavior, but as an overall car, driving it, obviously the steering wheels, you know, it's a good feel. I think I'll be getting some nice Alcantara on this for sure, just to give that extra little, you know, let's just say aesthetic look to it. There are some interior bits I do want to do for sure, but I think with this car I am definitely going to be doing some aesthetic mods for sure. There is no doubt to it. I need to get a splitter, I need to get the F1 light on the diffuser when I actually get a nice diffuser, let's say for example like a Maxton's one. It's definitely needing it. Let's see if you hear those pops and bangs. Might not be able to hear it, but it's definitely noticeable. But I don't know, this vlog is it's going to be a casual one. It's just going to be a standard POV drive, me having fun, because it's, I don't know, it's been a crazy year for us all. As much as I haven't talked about this year, it has been a very crazy year for us all. But I honestly from the bottom of my heart, I honestly genuinely want to wish every single one of you guys an absolutely awesome New Year's, and I really hope 2022 works out for us all. And I really do hope 2022 works out for obviously myself, my wife, my family, and everybody else around me, because it's just you just don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's around the corner. So I thought I'd make this vlog not only a review, but just to show my thoughts and kindness to every single one of you guys. Honestly, I'll keep saying it, I can't thank you guys enough, because YouTube has changed my life completely, in terms of my confidence, my personality, everything about it. As you can see, we are going to finish off with a nice, I'm not going to do a 0 to 60, but I'm going to try and launch the bloody thing if it actually decides to launch this time. So yeah, everything's, well, that was a total fail. Oh, fucking hell, you can smell the tyres. Right, let's start again. Alright, so Sport Plus, gearbox and Sport, hard down. Oh boy! Yes, boy! I wouldn't say a launch, because it didn't actually, the launch control didn't actually engage, which is an absolute pain in the arse. It is a total pain in the arse. But I do want to say, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to finish this vlog off. Fucking hell. Oh, there's a Golf R behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to troll this Golf R.